Hey guys! Today I'll show you how you can redirect in Webflow, so let's get started. Now that we have a working sign-up form, when someone registers, they currently stay on the same page. That happens because neither MemberStack nor Webflow knows where to send the user after signing up. So let's set up a redirect to fix that. First, create a new page called Success. You can design it however you like, but make sure to remember its slug, for example, /success. Once the page is ready, let's add a MemberStack component to it. In this case, we'll use the successful payment component even if it's a free plan, that's okay. Copy the code for that component, go back to your project, and paste it into the success page. After that, publish your site. Now head over to your MemberStack dashboard. Go to the Plans tab, and you'll see a section for redirects. These are the default redirects, but you can also set specific redirects for different plans. For example, you can send users with no plan to one page, free plan users to another, and paid plan users somewhere else. For now, let's set the sign-up redirect to our /success page. Save the changes. Now, let's test it out. Open your live site, enter some random details in the sign-up form, and hit Sign Up. You'll see it redirect to the success page complete with a nice confetti animation. We've now set up a sign-up redirect, but what about login and logout redirects? You can configure those too in your MemberStack dashboard. Just like the sign-up redirect, you can set default pages for logging in and logging out, and even customize them by plan level if needed. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like, subscribe.